Cairo, the vibrant capital of Egypt, is a captivating city that seamlessly blends ancient history with modern life. Here's a glimpse into what makes Cairo so special. Ancient wonders. Giza Pyramid Complex. Marvel at the iconic Great Pyramid of Giza, the Sphinx, and the other pyramids, a testament to ancient Egyptian engineering and architectural prowess. Egyptian Museum. Explore a vast collection of ancient Egyptian artifacts, including mummies, sarcophagi, and treasures from the tomb of Tutankhamun. Historic sites. Khan el-Khalili Bazaar. Immerse yourself in the bustling atmosphere of this historic market, where you can find everything from spices and textiles to antiques and souvenirs. Al-Azhar Mosque. One of the oldest and most prestigious Islamic universities in the world, this mosque offers a glimpse into Islamic architecture and culture. Coptic Cairo. Discover the ancient Christian heritage of Cairo in this historic district, home to churches, monasteries, and the Ben Ezra Synagogue. Modern Cairo. Nile River. Take a felucca ride along the Nile River, enjoying stunning views of the city skyline. Cairo Tower. Ascend to the top of this iconic tower for panoramic views of the city. Modern districts. Explore the modern districts of Cairo, such as Zamalek and Mahdi, with their elegant architecture, upscale shops, and vibrant nightlife. Cairo is a city that offers a unique blend of ancient history, vibrant culture, and modern experiences. By exploring its diverse attractions and immersing yourself in its rich history, you can create unforgettable memories. Khan el-Khalili is a bustling bazaar and souk in the historic center of Cairo, Egypt. It's one of the oldest and most famous markets in the Middle East, offering a vibrant and authentic shopping experience. A maze of shops. The bazaar is a labyrinth of narrow alleys and winding streets, lined with shops selling everything from traditional Egyptian souvenirs to spices, textiles, jewelry, and antiques. Bargaining culture. Bargaining is a big part of the shopping experience at Khan el-Khalili. Don't be afraid to haggle with the merchants to get the best price. Historic architecture. As you wander through the market, you'll encounter beautiful examples of Islamic architecture, including historic caravanserais and mosques. Street food. Savor delicious street food, such as koshari, fulmi dames, and tamaya, while exploring the market. Cultural experience. Immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere and experience the daily life of Egyptians. Khan el-Khalili is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Cairo. It offers a unique and unforgettable shopping experience, allowing you to immerse yourself in the vibrant culture and history of Egypt. Cairo's infrastructure is a complex mix of ancient and modern elements, reflecting the city's rich history and rapid development. While significant strides have been made in recent years, challenges remain. Cairo offers a vibrant and diverse shopping scene, with a variety of markets and bazaars catering to every taste and budget. Here are some of the most popular markets in Cairo. Souk el-Ataba. This bustling market is popular among locals and tourists alike. You can find everything from clothing and footwear to electronics and household goods. Compared to other markets, prices at Souk el-Ataba are generally quite reasonable, so you may not need to haggle as much. Souk al-Fustat. This historic market is located in the Fustat district of Cairo and offers a more authentic and less touristy shopping experience. Compared to the bustling Khan el-Khalili, Souk al-Fustat offers a more relaxed and peaceful shopping environment. Wakale al-Balar. This market specializes in textiles and fabrics. Souk al-Atarine. This market is known for its aromatic spices and perfumes. Al-Muiz Street. This historic street is lined with shops selling antiques, jewelry, and traditional handicrafts. When visiting these markets, remember to dress modestly, especially when visiting religious sites or mosques. Also, be aware of your belongings and take precautions to avoid pickpocketing. The Egyptian Museum in Cairo is a treasure trove of ancient Egyptian artifacts, offering visitors a glimpse into the fascinating history of one of the world's oldest civilizations. Here's a suggested tour of the museum's highlights. The Golden Mask. Perhaps the most iconic artifact in the museum, the Golden Mask of Tutankhamun is a stunning piece of ancient Egyptian craftsmanship. The Golden Throne. This ornate throne, adorned with intricate carvings and inlays, offers a glimpse into the luxurious lifestyle of the pharaohs. The sarcophagi. See the beautifully decorated sarcophagi of Tutankhamun and his family members. Royal Mummies Room. Marvel at the mummies of ancient Egyptian pharaohs and queens, including Ramses II. Coffins Gallery. Admire the intricate craftsmanship of ancient Egyptian coffins, often adorned with hieroglyphics and colorful paintings. Ramadan in Cairo is a truly magical time, filled with spiritual devotion, cultural traditions, and a unique atmosphere. Cairo, a city steeped in history and culture, is also a food lover's paradise. The bustling streets are lined with vendors offering a diverse range of delicious and affordable street food. Here's a guide to some of the must-try dishes. Koshari, a hearty and flavorful dish made with rice, lentils, macaroni, chickpeas, and a spicy tomato sauce, topped with crispy onions and a tangy vinegar sauce. Ful medames, a simple yet satisfying dish of fava beans, cooked to perfection and topped with olive oil, lemon juice, and chili peppers. Tamaya, Egyptian falafel, made from ground fava beans and herbs, deep-fried to golden perfection. Shawarma, tender slices of marinated meat, usually lamb or chicken, cooked on a vertical rotisserie and served in a warm pita bread with various toppings. Grilled meat, succulent skewers of grilled meat, such as kofta, meatballs, or kebabs, served with fresh pita bread and a variety of dips. Fata, a hearty stew made with bread, chickpeas, and a rich tomato sauce, topped with crispy pita bread. Marshi, stuffed vegetables, such as vine leaves, peppers, and zucchini, filled with rice and meat or vegetables. Kanafe, a decadent dessert made with layers of crispy filo pastry, filled with cheese and soaked in sweet syrup. A night walk in Cairo offers a unique and magical experience. The city transforms after dark, with illuminated landmarks, vibrant street life, and a serene atmosphere. Here's a suggested night walk itinerary. Al-Muiz Street. This historic street is a must-visit for a night walk. The ancient buildings and mosques are beautifully illuminated, creating a stunning ambience. Wander through the narrow alleyways, admire the intricate Islamic architecture, and soak up the peaceful atmosphere. Take a leisurely stroll along the Nile Corniche, enjoying the cool evening breeze and the stunning views of the river and the city skyline. Consider taking a felucca ride on the Nile for a romantic and unforgettable experience. Visit the Citadel of Saladin, a historic fortress that offers panoramic views of the city. Explore the Alabaster Mosque, a stunning example of Ottoman architecture, and admire the intricate carvings and colorful tiles. Living in Cairo offers a unique blend of ancient history, vibrant culture, and modern living. While it's a bustling metropolis with its own set of challenges, it also offers a rich and rewarding experience for those who choose to call it home. Living in Cairo is a unique and rewarding experience. By understanding the challenges and embracing the opportunities, you can make the most of your time in this vibrant city.